Today, I will show you how everyone can create their own website easily and for free. You just need to provide some information to the AI tools.
I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you.
Welcome back to my channel. The best part is, you will receive a free subdomain name and hosting. We will try out 4 free AI website builders. I will guide you through a step-by-step process and show you the results, so you can decide which one is suitable for you and your business. Let us get started.
Now I stay away out here, say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. With you, I cried with you, now wanna be alone. I lied for you, I tried for you, you wouldn't play alone. I got you in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, now you beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away out here, say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you.
Wait a minute, I have spent hours crafting this free tutorial just for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much.